y'all, welcome back to my channel and long time no see. I know I've been gone for about 3 months and I thought I would talk a little bit about that while I start on this cleaning video. I'm obviously in my kitchen. You can see a little bit has changed, not a ton, just less decor on my counters, and I'm starting with the dishes. So I thought I would talk a little bit about why I was gone for 3 months, where I've been, what I've been doing, and what's coming up for my channel this year. So you guys know the last video I posted was, I think, in October, and that's about the time my mental health took a steep downward turn. If you've been following me for a while, you know I've always struggled with anxiety, depression, just mental health struggles, and this year it kind of hit me pretty hard, if I'm being completely honest. So I decided to take some things off my plate and take a break, and YouTube was one of them. So I took some time for myself. You can see I cut about 8 inches off my hair. I got a new tattoo, and I just spent time with my family and just enjoyed the holidays. And it really helps. I'm back to feeling like myself. I have for a while now, and I've really been missing YouTube. I really loved creating content for you guys. I got the itch to pick up my camera and I decided to come back. So you may notice a few things different about my channel. I did a whole new rebranding. I have a new intro and a new outro and everything. In the new year, things will be a tiny bit different on my channel. You can still expect cleaning, lifestyle, things like that. But I am going to take posting videos down to 2 days a week. So for now, my schedule will be every Tuesday and Thursday, and then maybe sometimes I'll post an extra bonus video if I feel like it. But you can always expect a brand new video from me every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 a.m. Central Standard. So other than that, as far as the content I'll be creating, I will keep doing cleaning videos. You can still expect to see these on here. I will be doing a lot more vlogs. This year we have a ton of fun stuff coming up. In February, we're going to take Dee to Disney World for the first time. Zach got a new boat, so we're going to be on the lake a whole bunch this summer. So we have a lot of fun stuff coming up, and I think it will be really fun to share it with you guys and document it here on YouTube. So you can expect a lot more vlogs, cleaning, lifestyle, cooking, baking, just a lot more fun stuff. So I want to thank you guys for sticking with me through that little 3-month break. It's no fun going through mental health issues and having your anxiety and depression flare up. But it is amazing getting constant messages from you guys asking me where I am, how I'm doing, if I'm okay, if I'm going to be coming back soon. All of that was so incredibly sweet, and you guys have no idea how much that meant to me. So I just wanted to give you guys a little backstory in case you don't follow me over on Instagram. I have been keeping everybody updated over on Instagram. If you don't follow me, I'm just at Naomi Rose YT, and I'm always over there talking to y'all. I share my heart a whole lot over there, so definitely go over there and follow me if you're not already. If you want to see a glimpse into everyday life and what I'm doing, and see Dee acting crazy and me acting a fool, definitely go over there and check it out, and make sure to check out my stories. But as far as this actual cleaning video goes, I'm just going around and tidying up from the day. This isn't a huge deep clean or anything, but it was a little dirty from the morning, from waking up and cooking breakfast and everything. So I'm just tidying up. I did the dishes, wiped down the counters, vacuumed, and I'm gonna mop after I'm done vacuuming.
Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I can't hide, I get low at the same time. Feels so right then I'm.
And I almost thought about cutting this part out right here where I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff for Dee, but I left it in because this is real mom life, y'all. Like, I'm always having to stop and do mom life, so I thought I would leave that in a little bit so you guys saw a little bit of real life and not just like constant cleaning for 14 minutes, because let's be realistic, as a mom, that ain't gonna happen. You're gonna have to stop for breaks every few minutes when you're cleaning.
I will get up again.
once I'm done vacuuming, I'm gonna mop. I got a new mop. I asked you guys over on Instagram what kind of mops you guys liked, and I got a whole bunch of the suggestions for steam mops, and I ended up going with the Bissell, I think it's Power Fresh, and I will do a video on this very, very soon, but it's steam mops with the pad, and then you can actually detach the pad part, and it's a scrubber. So you can steam scrub your grout, and it works amazing. Normally it takes me like 2 hours to scrub my grout. It took me 30 minutes with this thing. It was amazing. So I will link that down below for you guys if you want to check it out. Not affiliated, not a coupon code, nothing. Just I bought it with my own money, and I think it's really cool. So I think you guys would like it too. After I'm done with that, I'm gonna head into the living room, and I'm just picking up everything off of my floor. You can see my Christmas tree is still up. I leave my Christmas tree up until New Year's Day. My mama always told me growing up that it's bad luck to take your tree down before Christmas Day, and so I've never taken it down before Christmas Day for fear of bad luck. It's like I eat black-eyed peas and collard greens on New Year's Day too, just because I'm too scared not to. I'm not superstitious, but I am a little stitious. After that, I'm just gonna start wiping everything down and just doing normal living room cleanup.
We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. Good as gold, got this on lock, and they can't ever make us stop it. Come take my hand, get on this rocket. They don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies.
Once I'm done vacuuming and everything, I'm gonna head into Dee's room, and I'm just gonna start cleaning up. I would normally make her do this, but I was filming this video, so I thought I'd do it for her. There's just a couple toys on the ground, and her room needed to be vacuumed, so I just went ahead and picked it up. And then once I'm done with that, I'll just give the floor a quick vacuum.
You and me, we're shiny dust. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies.
After Dee's room, I'm gonna head into our bedroom and start cleaning up and tidying up a bit. Our room wasn't crazy dirty or anything, but it did need to be picked up a little bit. I'll make the bed, wipe everything down. You guys may notice we got a new comforter. This comforter is bomb.com. We got it off Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it down below for you guys, but it's really, really cozy.
Dirty baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say it bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire
Once I'm done dusting, I'm gonna vacuum the floor. I'm still using my Dyson V7. I freaking love this thing. I get a lot of questions if I use my Shark still since I've gotten this Dyson. If I'm completely honest with you guys, no, not really. I pretty much only use this Dyson. Every now and then, if my Dyson is charging, I'll pull out my Shark, but it's really rare. Once I'm done vacuuming, I am going to start in on folding and putting away this load of laundry. And right as I was putting this laundry away, Zach came in with my Amazon package and I got a new pillow cover. And it says, "Dwight, you ignorant slut," from The Office. So I wanted this for our bed to replace the farmhouse Christmas pillow I had here during Christmas season. And I freaking love it. I'll link that as well down below for you guys. I think it's only like $8 and it's really good quality. That's definitely one of my better purchases from Amazon.
Too bad I hate advice, 'cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide.
Once I'm done folding all the laundry, I'm just gonna go and put it away in R&D's room. And that's it for this video, guys. I wanna thank you again for sticking with me through this little 3-month break that I took in constant messages and checking up on me. I truly appreciate it. You guys are amazing. If you like this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you guys here, and look out for a brand new video on Thursday. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great new year. Bye.